wanted to show you this really cool caulking removal toolkit. I bought this kit because I wanted these little wedges, and these are like little silicone wedges, but the really cool thing about this is each of these corners allows you to get a different size bead. So you just pull this along the whole length and you end up with a caulk line that looks like this. Instead of using your finger and getting a non-uniform line, you can use these tools to get a very uniform line. And also it comes with this little scraper dude. So if you need to go in and scrape off some old caulking, you can scrape off with this. The tool itself actually comes with this, which is a very good scraper. This is metal. And yeah, if I really wanted to just scrape this out, it'd be super easy to do with this. So that'll allow you to easily remove a caulk line. On the other side of this tool, you can actually expand it, and then you've got this little guy right here, which you can also use to pull your line with. But realistically, this is the easiest part of this to use. You just place it right here, pull it down, and then you can take this and you can scrape it off just like that as well. This is old caulking here, but yeah, I didn't even mean to do that. But yeah, it just scrapes it off just like that. And then you've got the main tool itself, which yeah, if you're gonna scrape off a lot of caulking, this is definitely gonna save you a lot of time. I just use this to scrape off the caulking, and then I use these little guys to put on the caulking. And then yeah, they're really nice. Also, the tool comes with extras as far as the end piece goes. So if you need more of these little rubber pieces right here on the end, it comes with extras for those. So that's really good. And if your caulking gun doesn't have this, it also has this little piece right here to open your caulk and get that going. So that's a nice addition as well. But yeah, that's about it for now. If you get this, I hope you enjoy it.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.